swing with every leg, right? There's one of these with every leg. You get up higher.
Yeah.
All right. And you have 4 of these to measure off the same side.
Right.
All right. Let's be another leg.
Don't move around.
I'll put it right here.
All right, put that there.
All
All right.
All gotta be same size.
No, I'm gonna put this on the internet.
That ain't one. That ain't one.
No, they're same size. You got one of these screwed up in there.
I just put one in here.
Check like that. Okay.
There.
These go for the leg. One there. One there. One there. And one there.
Right.
Now, you ain't gonna follow them apart.
Now.
Now, this all gotta be...
Hi, Mom.
Either one of these is too long. See how long it is? That one's way over there. It's gotta be square.
Here. Now, don't forget now, you got here.
Yeah. It's gotta be perfectly square.
It's 10 foot by 10 foot.
You gotta lay it out.
This goes like this. Comfort. That goes in there.
Yeah. Get your square bit. Now this piece is too short.